For millions, the pain is unbearable, but relief begins with a single, small step, traveling through the body to stop pain at its source. To enter the body, the drug must first cross this barrier. Moving through cells, it enters the vast network of capillaries. Here, red blood cells rush by, carrying life-saving relief. Inside the living body, a complex journey begins. Golden letters map the pathways of life, from absorption to full excretion. This is the ultimate frontier of medicine. On an empty stomach, medicine dissolves rapidly, entering the bloodstream in just minutes. But food creates a physical barrier, trapping the tablet and delaying relief. Timing changes everything. Within the flowing river of life, a precise journey begins. These biological highways, delivering hope directly to the body's vital core. The blood-brain barrier is a fortress. Only select molecules can pass. New drugs must breach this barrier to work.
He's crashing. Get him into Bay 1. What are his vitals right now? We need this to work instantly.
One tablet follows the correct therapeutic pathway, while the other multiplies, overwhelming the body. Finding the perfect dose is a delicate balance. This is where healing truly begins. This is the elimination half-life. The time required for a substance to reduce by half. Deep within, a vast river carries life. The liver processes every molecule, passing the torch to the kidneys, where precision filters restore balance, pure and perfect harmony.
The drug rapidly clears from the bloodstream, but inside the tissues, it builds to dangerous levels, creating a hidden storm of toxicity.
Your reports show that your kidneys are clearing the medication a bit slowly, so we will lower the dose to keep you safe.
Inside the body, a single tablet begins its journey. Millions of molecules. Finally, the liver metabolizes the compound before excretion.